Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can hide a streak in your Hilokal social app on your profile. Okay, for example, if you enter any room, like I'm going to enter this room, so this table, once I join there, then if I click any profile, then here comes it's hide. This one is hide. So I'm just going to I need to leave that room. So I need to leave. I'm just going to leave. And how can you hide like them? So go to a profile page. You can see its profile page. This option. Simply click on profile, and then it's a profile page. Then scroll bit. You can see I have three streak. Okay, but I want to make it hide so that other people aren't able to see this. So go to settings and then scroll down a little bit. Then you can see the option show streak on your profile. So I'm just going to click, and it's a hide now. Okay, so it's really easy, friend. So okay, friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.